introducing the first collaboration between Nissan and Roush Performance, the 2026 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X upfit by Roush, built to conquer challenging terrain and turn heads on the road. This mid-size truck represents a new era in off-road capability. Roush offers an exclusive build featuring a lift kit, bold styling upgrades, and the all-new Roush Performance X Ohlins 2.0 off-road suspension system. Sold and installed separately by Roush, this system raises the front by 2 inches for improved approach and departure angles, with precision-tuned coilover shocks, external reservoirs to resist fade, and reinforced control arms for added strength. The Frontier PRO-4X stands on 17-inch titanium-finished wheels wrapped in Hankook Dynapro AT2 Xtreme all-terrain tires. A titanium skid plate, custom grille inserts, lava red tow hooks, and signature Roush badging create a distinctive presence. Inside, embroidered headrests highlight its custom identity. All Roush-installed parts and accessories are sold separately and are not designed, tested, or warranted by Nissan. The 2026 Frontier continues to deliver power and capability with a 3.8-liter direct-injected V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it features idle stop-start for efficiency. Active brake limited slip comes standard, with the PRO-4X adding an electronic locking differential for enhanced traction in tough conditions. Vehicle starting at $47,960 MSRP. Available in 7 colors.